Today, I'm talking about making a promotional video using an app called Biteable. Hi, I'm Coach Mona G, and welcome to Social Minutes with Mona. I put up a video the other day, and I really have gotten such great response to it. I thought I would take a minute and explain to you the program, or the app rather, that I use to create the video. So first of all, let me go ahead and show you the video that I'm talking about. I'm going to share my screen and we are going to head straight over to Biteable. So I'm now here at the dashboard on Biteable, and this is the video that I created. This is a 40-second video. And the thing about this is it's $49 a month, or they have an upgraded version. I think it's $99 a month. But if you want to create video promos, this is a great app to use. Number one, it's extremely user-friendly. You don't have to be very techie to do this, and you can take a video that you made in the past and change it up and make a new video out of it. So it's really very versatile. Another thing that you can do over here in the dashboard area, you can click on templates. And when you do, you're going to see some of the popular templates. So some of the choices include ads, animations, announcements, benefits, birthdays, Black Friday, business promos. So let's take a look at business promos for a moment. Okay, these are templates that you can easily go in and you can change all of the words and add your logo at the end and so on and so forth. So I'm going to go to Facebook and show you the actual video promo. All right, here it is. Go back to the beginning. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, this is Biteable. And there you have it. That is my Biteable video. Let's go back to the Biteable app, and I'm going to show you. Let me see. I haven't used this in a while, and I just started using it again. And so let me do a shout out of thanks to Coach Mindy for asking me about Biteable, which is prompting me to do this live training today, or this live explainer video, I guess you would say. So the first thing that you can do is select the aspect ratio of your video. The 16:9 that you see I'm pointing to here is perfect for YouTube and also for Facebook. If you're going to be sharing this video on Instagram, it's only going to show the square portion. So you're going to lose part of the left and part of the right. And so make sure that your pictures and your words are dead center for them to show up, excuse me, if you share it to Instagram. All right. Now let me go here. Let's see, home, and Konnichiwa, Mona. I don't know. That's a different language, so I'm not sure what it is. But when you land here, you can start from scratch and create using different video clips from different templates. So you'll have access to the complete library, and you can kind of cut and paste or piece together a customized video. But if you wanted to do something that's kind of a no-brainer, kind of like the one that I did, you would start from a template. And then you can also, you can see right here, start a recording or request a recording. I don't actually know what those are about. I'll have to do a little bit more research on that. But then also on the dashboard, I can see previous projects that I've made. This is another one that I did. And you can, as I said before, update it or change it. So this is a conference that I used to do with Sarah and Mary Ellen and Cheryl Nicholson. And this was a promo that I did for it. So this is what the editor looks like when you're inside of Biteable. This down here is called the timeline. And if you look, each one of these sections is a different clip. Let me show you this video, or at least a portion of it, so you see what it looks like and hear the music. And then I'll show you a little bit about how to edit. And there you have it. So this one is 55 seconds long. And I know that because right down here, I can see the total seconds or minutes that the video is. And then on this timeline right here, I can see the progression of the different slides and how long they last. You can also shorten the length of those slides. So notice up here on the top right, let me move me out of the way there. You can select your text. If you wanted to change your text, you can change the size of the font of your text. You can replace the background. So if I wanted to change this color, then, oops, I can't see it all on here with this app open. I went on Zoom yesterday and all of a sudden on the right-hand side of my screen, there's a bar that says apps at the top, and it's all these different apps that I've never heard of. And now it's covering up part of my screen and I don't know how to get rid of that thing. So anyway, that's neither here nor there. But down here is where you would select the background colors. So right there, these are my branding colors. So if I wanted to change it to my pink that I use a lot, and for some reason that is not changing, again, there's this thing over here that is prohibiting me. Let's see, close the, okay, there we go. I closed the dock. Yeah, I hate it when these things happen. They give you no changes and you go to do something that you've always done and it's different, but that's the way that technology is these days. Anyway, you go slide by slide and you change your words. You just click into an area and you can just double click into here and then change it all out. And when you add your new text, let's see, I do a Zoom meeting. Do you want to network with some amazing women entrepreneurs? PRENEURS question mark. Okay, and then I'm just going to tap out of it. And now I've changed the text. Up here, this was previously a promo to the pre-event coffee that we were doing. And this was sponsored by life coach Laura White. So you can see right down here, I have given her credit for that, but you can change out this text as well. Right over here, you can add text captions, etc. You can add an image caption and so forth. And so when you make those changes, now I can see that that's no longer aligned. So I can take this text box, whoops, and that's not working either. I don't know why. Well, this is not good, but it happens often. I should have been more prepared for this, but I decided to do it just impromptu because of Coach Mindy's request. So anyway, let me go back right here. I'm going to go back home and just show you a more recent one that I edited. This is the one that I re-edited to make it totally different. I had previously made this for a different promo, and I went in here and I edited the text color and changed the words. And then here's the timeline down here where you can see the various aspects. I think that this is just so cool because it's easy to do. And, you know, video is just where it's at right now. When you're doing social media and online presence, video is what's getting the most views. And you can use videos in different ways. So something like this is a 40 or up to, like a 60-second promo. And that could be to promote an event that you're having. It could be to promote your services or your products. It could be to make an announcement of something new that, has come along. And later on, you go back and you can edit it, like I said before, and change the wording to make it work for the current project that you're working on. $49 a month for a video editing program is very inexpensive, particularly when you have such availability of different templates and it's so easy to use. I'm looking at my time because I don't want to go over here. I always try to keep these little mini trainings short and sweet because people don't really want to spend a lot of time watching, videos unless they're going to like YouTube, where people expect to spend more time on the platform. But if you're doing regular videos like promos, you should make them 30 seconds or 40 seconds or up to 60 seconds, no longer than that. But if you're doing a teaching or a training, that's when you can start adding some time. And then, of course, the different platforms that you choose to post your videos on may have their own limitations as to how long your videos can be. I think Facebook is kind of unlimited. Instagram, they've recently changed it, so don't quote me on this, but you used to be able to post 60 seconds on a video unless you had 10,000 followers. Now they've changed it to where every video that you post is considered a reel. And I have actually taken my training videos like this, Social Minutes with Mona, and posted them on Instagram, and they might be 15 or 20 minutes long. So there's been a change there, and you can post longer form video. But here's what you have to consider. People on Instagram are not really looking or expecting long form video. That's more for YouTube. So if you're posting video on Instagram, you want to keep it short and sweet. Reels, for example, you can create a reel all the way up to 90 seconds. So if you're doing a tip training or something like that, you may use all of those. But if you're doing entertainment value, then you want to keep them short and sweet, like 5 seconds, 7 seconds, 15 seconds. So know the platform that you plan to put the video on so that you know what that audience of that platform is going to be expecting. Now, if your content is really great, people will spend time looking at your longer form video on a platform like Facebook or Instagram. But again, YouTube is the one where people are expecting to sit down with their notepad and their laptop and look at a training video that could be, up to 30 minutes or maybe even a little bit longer. So know your platform. Anyway, so again, this is the timeline, and you just go in and make the changes. I can click on this. It takes me to the next slide in the timeline, and I can change my formatting, or my text rather. And there, it's just that easy. When you get done, excuse me, one more thing, if you want to make this longer, you just simply go right down here to the plus sign, and then you can add a scene. When I pick that, these different templates are going to, this is where I was talking about you could build from scratch. These are individual little templates that you can add to this particular video that you're working on. And you can make them shorter, make them longer, etc. And then you can search the scenes up here. So let's just say that I'm searching, let's see, I'm not sure what's going to happen here if I search for social media. Let's see what happens. I might need to do like video and then look at the different, I think I've kind of confused it. Oh, nope, there it is. So now these are the templates that they're suggesting that would work well with social media. So if I wanted to add this, I can add this. Let me just choose that one. It's loading, and look right there. It just put that in place right here. So let me get there and hit play so I can see what it looks like. Oops. Let me go back to the beginning. Let's see. I'm going to double click it so that I can edit it. Come down here to the one that I just added, and here I can add my message. Let's see, here, let's enjoy a glass of wine while we plan our social media. Okay, obviously that's not something that I would want to put in there, but I just wanted to demonstrate how you can add a scene into your video. Now, if you'll notice, the time on this particular video has changed, and you can see the amount of time right here. Now, if I want to view this, I simply hit play. Coming up, my new slides coming up soon. Should be next after this one. There it is. And there you have it. It's just that simple. Now I'm going to go back to this video because I really don't want that clip in there. I don't want to promote drinking wine while you're I'm going to highlight it, and then I'm going to, let's see, where is my delete button? Maybe I just hit delete. Nope. Okay, like I said, I should have been better prepared for this. But anyway, you can add and you can also delete. You just have to know how to delete it. I'm taking a quick look again, and I'm trying to hit delete there. It's not. Oh, there it is. I hit this little up arrow, and now I want to delete this scene. If I wanted this scene to go longer, I would duplicate the scene. So then it's going to be the first scene and then the second scene, which means it's going to stay up there longer. But in this instance, I'm going to delete that scene, and now it's gone. Now, notice right down here that it's now gone back to 39.5 seconds instead of 46 seconds. So there you have it. That is a very brief overview of one of the apps that I love to use, which I plan to start using more of. It's kind of like I rediscovered it. So thank you, Coach Mindy. And it's called Biteable. It runs $49 a month, or they have an upgraded package if you want to have a team of people that are working together. And if you are serious about video creation, this is a great way to do it. Incidentally, you don't have to do these animated videos like this. You can go into Canva and create promotional videos as well. But if you want to step up and have access to many more templates that you can customize, then Biteable is a great option for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am Coach Mona G, and I'm a social media 101 coach. I help folks like me that did not grow up with technology learn it, get their social media platforms set up and maximized, and then learn Canva and learn apps like this. If you have an idea for a video that you would like me to do, I'd love to hear from you. Let me stop my share here. I'd love to hear from you. So send me a private message and let me know what topic you'd like me to discuss, and I would be more than happy to bring you a short tutorial on that. Thank you so very much for tuning in. I appreciate it. If you like this video, please leave a 5-word comment so it affects the algorithm needle. And again, let me know what you would like more information on. Until next week, everybody, may God richly bless you.